Here's a certified 2016 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. The C-Class has pioneered breakthroughs in performance, safety, and luxury for 5 generations, raising the bar and putting innovation within reach. It comes with all the amenities you need: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, wireless phone connectivity, power tilting steering column, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Car and Driver remarks, "Consider the C-Class as all that Mercedes-Benz knows about full-size luxury distilled into a smaller package." Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,